Standard 10th, Subject Science and Technology, Chapter 2nd, Periodic Classification of Elements. In this chapter, we will study the classification of elements. We have learned the properties of elements in the previous standard. All the atoms of an element are of only one type. Elements are of three types: metals, non-metals, and metalloids. Today, 118 elements are known to scientific world. Around year 1800, only about 30 elements were known. More number of elements were discovered in course of time. More and more information about the properties of the elements was gathered. Therefore, it has become need to classify the elements. Due to classification of elements, study of elements becomes easier. Before studying the classification of elements, let us understand the properties of elements. The smallest particle of an element is called atom. Atom has three particles: proton, neutron, and electron. Now let us understand the position of three particles in an atom with the help of diagram. Proton and neutron are present in the nucleus of an atom, and electrons are revolving around the nucleus in a circular orbit. Protons are positively charged particles. Neutrons have no charge. These are chargeless particles. Electrons are negatively charged particles. In each atom, number of protons are always equal to number of electrons. While studying classification of elements, we must know two concepts regarding to atom of an element, that is atomic number and atomic mass number. Let us understand the meaning of atomic number. The number of protons or electrons in an atom is called atomic number of an atom. For example, in sodium atom, number of protons are 11 and number of electrons are also 11. Therefore, the atomic number of sodium is 11. Now understand the meaning of atomic mass number. The sum of number of protons and neutrons in an atom is called atomic mass number. For example, in an oxygen atom, there are 8 protons and 8 neutrons in the nucleus of atom. Therefore, the atomic mass number of oxygen is 16. As the knowledge about elements and their properties went on increasing, different scientists started trying out different methods of classification. Dobereiner was the first scientist who made effort to classify the elements. In the year 1817, a German scientist Dobereiner suggested that the properties of elements are related to their atomic masses. He made group of 3 elements, each having similar chemical properties, and called them triads. He arranged the 3 elements in a triad in an increasing order of atomic mass and showed that the atomic mass of the middle element was approximately equal to the mean of the atomic masses of the other 2 elements. In this chart, some of the examples of Dobereiner's triads has been given. The first example is lithium, sodium, and potassium. All the 3 elements in these triads are arranged in an increasing order of their atomic masses. Atomic mass of lithium is lowest, that is 6.9, and the atomic mass of potassium is highest, that is 39. That means in these triads, these 3 elements are arranged in an increasing order of their atomic masses. If we calculate the mean of atomic masses of lithium and potassium, it was approximately equal to the atomic mass of sodium. From this example, we understand the Dobereiner's triads law. The atomic mass of middle element was approximately mean of the atomic masses of other two elements. Like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.